What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to this new price prediction and price analysis. This is actually an update, so I'll try to keep it as short as possible. We're doing an update on the Assemble protocol, abbreviation ASM. I did a price analysis on this, I believe 5 days ago when it just got listed to Coinbase. I thought it had quite some potential. This was my analysis that this would be the ultimate support. You can check that out in this video if you don't believe me. Some resistance at this level, which it did, and some resistance right here. It didn't do that, I believe, maybe on a 1 hour time frame. Well, yeah, some resistance, and then ultimately I thought it would go a little bit higher to like 11.2, but ultimately it reached 10.88. So we are going to delete that, and we're now going to look at it on the 4 hour time frame, because we do have some more price action. And to be honest, I'm still very bullish on this crypto. It still has, I believe, about a 50 million market cap. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm probably wrong. It fluctuated a lot. I invested a little bit in it, somewhere right here, I think. Maybe in this large wick. That could be possible as well. But yeah, I'm trying to be as objective as possible. But I am quite bullish on this project. They already have a working protocol, working app, working product with that. They are based in Korea, so it might take a little longer until it reaches the West. And to be honest, in the West, there's the most capital to invest right now in crypto. So that might take a while, but ultimately I'm very bullish on this. We can also see here that this trend line was respected, but the wick already shot through, and the wick right here tried to get through too, so that's very bullish. In my opinion, it could drop down a little bit lower up until this 0.82, possibly even, just in my opinion, a worst case scenario, the 0.74 again. But after that, it will definitely break this descending trend line, and when it does that, we can see a small bullish breakout, in my opinion. Might find some resistance here at 0.1, just because that's a big psychological key level, and ultimately because it was tested right here, might find some resistance at 10.8. But from there on out, I do not think that it's going back to this big support level at 0.74. I think we can see a retest anywhere between 0.1 and ultimately 0.94. And after that, I drew this like this big path up. I do not think that it will instantly go there. It might also find some resistance at one of these strong key levels, resistance levels, so 11.6 and 0.12. To be honest, this is still, I can draw it for you too, that will make it a little bit more clear. So this seems like a strong resistance as well, so it might find some resistance right there. I just drew this because ultimately I think ASM will go into an uptrend, and it might consolidate a little bit between this 0.116 and 14.2. Might consolidate a little bit there, but semi long term, so let's say in a few weeks, I think we can expect a price of around 17 cents ultimately, and when we reach that 17 cents area, I think that's the next big resistance. And from there on out, basically two things can happen. Price can pull back a little, or it could go into a small consolidation. To be honest, I do not see it breaking right through. But after a while it might go even higher. I mean, the market cap is so low that you really don't know what could happen with these cryptos. When they get trending, when they make big moves up, a lot of people will jump in. They will see the 100 million market cap and say, yeah, we're still early. They'll jump in. You basically don't know. I just think that the 17 cents area will be my price target, and from that price target I will look into what I'll do. For me, it's definitely a long-term hold, but maybe I'll scale down my position a little bit just to gain more exposure to other coins as well. But I'm not gonna fully get out of this coin. I just think its potential is too high for that. So basically, I think That's next up for ASM. I do not think that, here you can see that it's in a small consolidation. I really don't think that will hold. I really expect an uptrend or at least a bullish move. So that's my price prediction for the upcoming days and weeks. Try to keep this as short as possible. Might have went on a little too long. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.